Hi everyone, today we will unbox the FMS Ranger plug-and-play 1.2 meter model. This is the ideal beginner plane as it has a gyro and is the perfect size. It's great how FMS were able to pack all these into such a small box. This is the plug-and-play model, so you need to supply your own transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger. The ready-to-fly version comes with all of these, but is slightly more expensive. This landing gear really helps beginners when it comes to rough landings. It's so forgiving. If you are taking off on grass, you may have to stiffen it a bit by wrapping some tape around it. Here we have a cable for connecting the reflex gyro to the computer. This allows you to reprogram or update it. Let's first connect the rear landing gear. We also need this small brace plate to do that. First we place the landing gear like this, but do not use any screws yet. Next place the plastic plate over it and now use 2 small screws and 2 long screws to fix it in place. Next, we are going to fix the tail section. I'm going to tape the servo connection to this shaft to help pass the wire through. This rod connects to the rudder. We need to send it through the servo's connector. Once the rudder and servo is centered, you can tighten the screw using the Allen key provided. Fix 2 smaller screws to secure the tail section like this. Now we need to fix the elevator servo cable. If you hold the reflex gyro right side up, the servo connections from top to bottom are ailerons, elevator, throttle, and rudder. so we need to plug the elevator to the second from the top slot. Let's fix the horizontal stabilizer now. We need 2 more long screws for that. Now let's fix the elevator rod to the servo. Then let's fix the rudder to the rod connecting to the rudder servo. Let's fix the 2 wings together, not forgetting to insert the spar in between. Let's fix 2 screws to secure the wings together. Don't worry, the wings can still be removed rather easily and does not require unscrewing these screws. Since this is the plug-and-play model, I need to provide the receiver. I am using a lemon receiver here. We need at least 5 channels if we want to use the gyro. This is rather straightforward. We simply plug the marked cables into the receiver's matching position. The only difference would be that we need to plug the wire marked as mode into the 5th channel. This channel will be used to enable or disable the gyro and change the level or assistance given. Now I'm going to bind the plane to the transmitter. Please take care when doing this, as there is a fair chance the propeller could turn on unexpectedly. It's best you use a 10mm spanner and remove the propeller before plugging in the battery. I'm going to put the receiver into bind mode and bind it with the transmitter. If you need more details on this, you can look at my video on binding receivers. Now that the receiver is bound, we can safely secure the receiver somewhere safe. I like to tape the antennas so that they would be firm. It's these two cables that plug into the wings. They can fix to either wing, and it won't affect the direction the aileron moves. Now fix the wings together and use the long plastic screws to fix it in place. Finally, fix the wing support bars on each side by sliding it into place. Ensure all the control surfaces are moving in the correct direction and you are good to go.
I think I can deal with it.
Thanks, and do like and subscribe for more.